Dude,
What's up?
You just fucking zigzag in front of me when I'm trying to walk down the fucking hall. You motherfucker.
What up? Hold on. What? Hold on. What's up?
Jared Grant just texted me back. Him and Grant said that if you ever want to go to one of the real estate seminars, the problem is they're out of state most of the time. He said they'll comp the ticket for you.
I'd love to do it.
So we just got to figure out.
Yeah, I'd love to do it. I mean, I sort of make myself look like a jackass. I don't know shit yet. So.
Yeah, but it's just one of those things you can keep in your pocket. So.
Yeah. Well, yeah, definitely keep me updated on that.
Oh, just when you buy one.
Okay. Oh, what is up, boys? We got it done. Guess what? Guess what? You guys will never believe it. Hold up. Y'all will never believe it. Bro, holy shit, please work. There we go. Guess what? We got that shit to work. We got that shit to work. Let's go. Okay. Damn, I gotta like open my system settings, let all my shit do everything. All right, hold up. I was trying to send out the free play, and I wanted the free play. Ah, okay, hold up. I gotta reopen my Discord. Give me 2 seconds. Fuck. All right. All right. Can y'all hear me now? Hello? 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 God, okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Bang! Okay, let's see. Allow. Entire screen applications. SMR. Oh, it does show you guys everything. Okay, I got to be careful with that now. All right, market's open. Market is open. Good morning. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right, face cam's working. Everything's working, correct? Let's see. Boys, let's go. 75%, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's see. Is silver ripping too? Still is, yeah. 88.3. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me make sure everybody else can get in here. I need to send out the rest of this link and the free play. All right, boys, I'm telling you this and not the free guys, but I'm about to send out that free play. The free play was going to be a swing on silver, but didn't get that opportunity as silver just wanted to keep going up. So nobody take the swing on silver. Or no one take the swing on SMR. We should already be in SMR. And if you're not, just let it go. So AMD is up 5% today. What the hell? Oh, I should probably be looking at the charts, right? AMD is up 6% today. What happened? This dude Brady just has a touch, I guess. Wow. Silver calls up 90% at a boy. Just about 10K worth of silver calls. Why? Why'd you buy so late, brother? I was gonna say we got a little bit of a dip coming. There's a new IPO on Robinhood, yeah. Oh, okay, Matthew. I was gonna say I don't think I'm not against it, but coffee right now. Yeah, bro. TE's looking good. I'm already up 10% on those. I'm actually up 12% right now. BE's green again. SoFi's green. EOS is green. Obviously, AMD is bright green. It's up 6% today. What was the news with? Oh, there's 2 new IPOs. Let me peep that. Hey. Also, look at me in the eyes. Use the affiliate codes. I keep forgetting to tell you guys. You guys can literally get one of your friends to join up and get paid $10 a month per friend. I think it's actually a little bit more than that. I think right now I have it at like $15 a month. I don't see why you guys wouldn't want to do that. Help a friend out and get paid to do so. But if that is interesting to you guys, hit me up. A lot of you guys in college, that would be literally the easiest side gig. There's one dude that's doing it. Right now he's getting paid $400 a month. $400 a month just for referring people. He has like 28 referrals and he's making $400 a month just from telling people to join up. Not a bad gig. What's good long term to get into? I sent out like 5 charts last night. I'm looking for the IPOs right now. EQPT, equipmentshare.com. Technology-enabled nationwide rental platform equipping the largest construction, energy, and infrastructure projects in the country. That's pretty interesting. That's all it says, but that is pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting, actually. I kind of like that. All right, and then also, boys, y'all know today is the day that I could technically be getting a payout. Dude, this dude Dom, bro. Wasn't this dude Dom at like $450? Like, are you gonna build more of a buffer though? Yes. I'll show you guys right now. This is the accounts. Let me make sure you guys can see this, right? Y'all can see this? Okay. This is the combine. I'm up 720 in this one. I've got this one where I'm up 615. This is the one that I could technically take a payout today in. And then I have the other one. So I have this one and then this one as well. So this is that one that I had to buy back. And then obviously we came back and made a good day. But overall, we're looking good. So we'll see what we can do today. But do you copy trade with your accounts? Whenever I trade my live accounts, I copy and eval to it, but I don't ever. I haven't copied my lives yet. There's no reason to yet. All right. Well, market is definitely looking bullish. I mean, we got freaking. What is AMD up 6% for, and then Nvidia's red? There had to have been big news. Received an overnight rating for 270. Stock rose by 1%. I'm assuming that's what it is. I mean, I guess that's what it is. TE's up crazy today. 8%. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah, baby. That was going to be my swing idea. Let me post this. Once again, guys, do not take this SMR chart. We already talked about it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. So I'm sending this out because our swing didn't work on, our swing did work on silver. It just worked too well. I was looking for a pullback on silver for an entry on swings, but we just didn't get it. So don't chase this SMR chart that I'm posting. It's a good chart, but if you guys are already in SMR, you're doing great. Don't. Yeah. Bro, what are these guys talking about in the free chat? Should I buy Rocket Lab up 200% in the last couple months? All right, I'm feeling a good morning this morning. CPI came out, right? Or do we have CPI in a minute? CPI, what do we have at 9? Home sales. CPI's out. Yeah. We got home sales coming out at 9. I don't think that's really gonna. Wow. Where do you post entries for stock buys? Varvados, what are you talking about, bro? You've been in here forever, dude. You know I post my entries in the buzz. All right. And then in the long terms, I have buy zones rated now. So sad I didn't get a silver call at 70. All good. PPI tomorrow. Have you looked at this at all? If we continue pushing tech, we will as far as I don't know enough about that, and I'm also not interested in IPOs, to be honest with you. And I say that I'm just not interested in holding IPOs for the long term. They're just so easily manipulated. Is it still good to get into silver calls? No, not right now. No. We're up, 75% in 7 days. Like, for two different reasons, there's a no. One is because these calls are going to need a pullback, meaning that we will be losing some of the profit for a short period of time. That is something that you need to understand. It's not just going to go to 100, and it's not just going to go to 200%. It's not just going to go to 300%. That's a possibility, but it's not just going to happen. But don't chase up 75%. Because when we get pulled down only being up 50%, you're getting pulled down 25%. As in you're actually in drawdown. Still good to get in CRWV. I don't know what it's up today, but at the end of the day, you're fine. CPI lower than expected. Better chance rate cut. Good. Weekend dollar. Good for silver and gold. Yes, sir. Can I text you on instruction for the referral thing? Yes, sir. I should have a stock bot here just to do shit like TE. What do you mean? What you mean? Damn, we're already 10 minutes in the market open. But yeah, let me see an example. Damn, bro. Yeah, market is ripping this morning. What are we up? Hey. It's the retirement at. Hey. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh shit! How do you get that? How do you get that? I always want to do shit like that, and then I get it, and then I'm like, I feel like this is just too much, like, because people text me all the time, and they're like, hey, there's like a lot going on. And if you ever feel like that, by the way, I always say, pick a channel and stick to it. If you like my alerts, stick with my alerts. If you like, Cook's alert, stick with Cook's alert. If you like, Wolf alerts and my alerts, then just do our alerts. Like, yep, Kurt. No, brother. CRWV has been on a heater. The 2 days that we own it, it is up about 12%. It's down almost 1% today. So, rocking with the buzz and DDOT, like whatever that's gonna be for you, bro. You just gotta pick something. But yeah, I'll take a look at that. Dude, TE's up 10% now. I just don't want to overcrowd things because I know a lot of people sometimes have trouble navigating the server if they're new. Silver is ripping again, bro. New all-time highs right here coming in. Yeah. Bang, 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 bang. Dude, the market is ripping today. I'm assuming that's a new all-time high for, it's a new all-time high for SPY pretty much. EOS is up 5%, TE is up 10%, AMD is up 6.5%. Other than that, nothing much. It's only our holdings are green, brother. Look at this. Everything else is up maybe 1% or pretty flat. We got TE up 9%, BE up 2%, EOS up 5%, AMD up almost 7% now. Wow. This is a good move right there. That took me from red on my position to plenty green. Wow. Your silver calls are at 110%. Congrats, brother. My shit's up 77 right now. Bang. Boys, and if we get to $100 an ounce, look. 243% for $8 grand. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I saw they upgraded AMD. That's what the big price jump is for. But 7% is a little wild. Silver's about to hit $89 an ounce. Are we going to hit the illustrious $90 an ounce today? We shall see. Wait, did I forget to start the live stream, or did I start the live stream? Oh, I did start the live stream. Oh, I just didn't send out the live stream. Whoops. All right, we got about 2 more minutes until we have orb. Oh. Oh. All right, boys. All right, boys. Joby below 15. Hey, there you go. There's your entry. There's your entry. Guys, I'm gonna stop responding to the. I've got to stop just for my own self and covering my ass. Guys, I'm putting the buy zones there for you guys so you guys know. If it's in that buy zone, these are all good companies that should see a move outside of that buy zone to the upside. I would not alert it if I don't like it, and I would not put the buy zone where I put it if I don't think that it is worth a buy at that price. So just to kind of clear up some of those questions, if it is in the buy zone, meaning price is in the buy zone, and you should always go look at the chart anyways. So if it takes you an extra minute, good. You need to go look at the chart. All right. So no, you're good. You're good, GQ6. I'm not trying to make a point out of you. I'm just saying in general. But like here, let's go to what were we talking about? What were we just talking about? Joby. Okay. Really quickly, I just want to talk you guys through this so everyone knows, just because it is new. Okay. Or actually, let's go to SMR. I just did SMR. Okay, look, SMR, right? And once again, do not buy SMR. We are already in SMR under $16. Okay, look. This is our average price. This is where we're buying. You're buying in the zone, and you should go to your chart and say, it's around this prior high where he has the top of his buy zone. So I'm going to put my thing there and say, I need to be buying below 20, right? Roughly below 21. So anytime below 21 is a decent entry. And then TP, I'm taking TPs at 27. I'm taking TPs at 40. I'm taking TPs at 53, right? So it should be very, very, very clear what what it is. Same with, ASTS last time when we bought at 60, right? ASTS is very far gone now, but I updated it because you guys need to know when to take trims, right? We were buying down at 60s. Our buy was actually right here, but as you can see, our average price of 55, pushing all the way up. TP1, TP2 is coming, and then runner TP. So you guys know exactly what to do. If anybody has any questions on that, please let me know now, because if you have a question about it, someone else probably has a question about it. So I do appreciate that. Large cap already alerting. What? Why? Why is it bugging? I had to restart them all yesterday. I don't know what. Why? Oh, the logs. Oh, I see. What the hell? What? All right, well, I'm just going to set myself a reminder to do that later. Sorry, boys. For some reason, these things expire, and you just have to, reset it. But it takes forever. I'll leave it. I'll make a note. Nobody take any of the BuzzBot alerts today. I'll be alerting for you guys. You can just don't take the AMD or the medical, or don't take either one of those. Okay, man. All right, now I'm gonna switch to switch over and we shall watch. What's it called now? Dude, why is all my shit just being so weird? Okay. All right, now we're watching QQQ here. God. All right, so we swept yesterday's high. That's good luck. These dogs just be sitting at the door. There we go. Oh, silver just broke 89. I'll look at those calls real quick. We're up 80% on these calls, boys. Oh my God. 80 fucking %. Guys, at this point, I'm still going to be holding most. I might trim one more today, but at the end of the day, we're up 80%. If your guys' account needs it, take the profit. if you guys need it. Dude, we got 92 people in the premium. Oh my. I thought y'all was sleeping in this morning, bro. I didn't see anybody in pre-market, bro. What was that about? Y'all was sleeping this morning, but here now, and that's what matters, I guess. Ain't that right? T up 10%, dub. It's up 13%. TE's up 13%, bro. Wow. I told y'all. It wasn't done. Silver is up 4.5% right now, dude. SPY's dumping like crazy. SPY swept, not as much. Oh. I mean, if we're gonna have a bad day, you could look back at this and see an S&T if we are gonna sweep, yesterday's highs like here on QQQ. That is your S&T. Anyone think silver hits 90 in the next 2 weeks, bro? Silver could hit 90 today. Swanee, I'm gonna write a note to update TE's chart too. I have one out, and I would just go search it up in the long terms, but I will update it for you. Also, guys, another thing that I'm telling you guys this not because I'm annoyed or anything. I'm telling you guys this to help you out and whatnot. God damn it. Fuck. Hold on. Everyone knows that you can go into the long-term chat and search up the stock, right? You guys can search it up and filter it by my name. Does that make sense? I just want to make sure everybody knows how to do that. Because if you guys are looking for, say you're looking for TE, you guys can go into the long-term charts and then search it up, and it'll come up under my name. So you guys can see every single time that I've posted about it. Just so you guys can, format your guys' stuff quicker. Yeah, boys. Everyone is so green. Everyone is so green. It's just insane. It's just insane to see. 81% on silver now. Like, even silver, bro. Like, these contracts could be up 100% tomorrow. Like, these things have jumped like 60% this week. Check dip on Joby. A good time to buy. Hey, it's in the buy zone. It's in the buy zone. This is long-term shares. This is long-term shares. If you're in the buy zone, it's gonna be a buy. Don't overthink it, bro. You're chilling. That doesn't mean you buy all of your shares today. That means that you're in the buy zone, so you're looking for an entry now. So that is where your intuition has to come into play and say, hey, when do I want an entry here? Because personally, I love Joby, but I can't buy every stock out on the market. At the end of the day, that's just a fact. So, which obviously isn't. Where is 7:30? There you go. Which is unfortunate. I'd love to be able to buy every stock on the market and track every single good plays. I'd probably make a lot more money, but it would just be too much. So you gotta be able to. That's where I'm giving you the entire opportunity, in the outline. You just kind of got to execute it. But at the end of the day, if you execute in the buy zone, you're not gonna have an issue. You're not gonna have an issue. Your entire Discord subscription is covered with one silver call. Amazing, yes, sir. That's crazy. Yeah, if you would have bought one of those silver calls, you could have paid for more than a whole year of premium off of one of those calls, one contract. Man, market is a little bit volatile. Oh shit, I had my Orbit CPI, that's why. I was like, damn, it's been a minute. Okay. Bounce off opening price right there. Okay. Hold on, boys. I'm trying to link my bet. SIL. But yeah, let me check in on I got 9 people over here on YouTube. What's up, free jits? Oh, alrighty then. Yep. Man, silver is just, I mean, that's just insane. That's just insane run. Simply insanity. Silver is retesting orb right now, I do believe. 30, 35, 45. Yeah. Silver is retesting orb right now. I might take a little scalp on futures. What's the call on QQQ? Nothing. We're chopping. We are chopping right now. If anybody has any other recommendations for what I can do for, like, for example, like if you guys have any other ideas other than, you know, average price, stop loss, buy zone, TP1, TP2, all-time high, runner high, like if you guys have any other ideas, please let me know. If you guys want to see anything else. So if there's anything else I can put in here that will clear up, you know, any questions for you guys, I would love to hear it. Been buying weekly since 50. Lit. I've been seeing you talking about lit. Broke back in a little bit. Cute. Spy got the orb put. Did it? Come on, load, buddy. Oh, it did. Oh my god. Yeah, that might. I mean, we definitely had some form of SMT, so we could expect a move down. Definitely did form some kind of SMT. But we'll see here. It'd be crazy to see QQQ red and then AMD up 6.5%. I mean, that means that we would be a lot more red had ASTS. Guys, I feel like I just explained this. Why am I getting so many? I just got 4 DMs asking if Joby's a buy. Guys, if it is in the buy zone, that is what I am determining as a buy. So anything in this buy zone, if you like the company and if you've done your research, what you should do, it's a buy in the buy zone. That's what the buy zone means. I'm confused, bro. I know. I can't tell if you guys are fucking with me or not, but I've been getting so many DMs about that shit. It's not. I'm fine answering them. They're just answering the same question a lot is hard. But where do you post buy zones? I post all the they're all in long terms, bro. I can't. You guys, bro. I can't even tell. Y'all are trolling me, bro. This is not funny. I'm gonna freak out. So what are the buy zones? What's the buy zone? Stop rage baiting. We need bread. What's the stock? Yeah, dub. Can I say it again? My volume was low. Guys, not funny. Oh, low key, boys. I do need to farm you guys real quick. Does everyone want to say good morning in the chat so I can get a quick video of it for TikTok? Please say good morning. Everyone say good morning. Rip a good morning. Yep, that's goated. Yep, y'all are the goats. Yep, bet. Sweet. Good night. God damn it. Who the hell said that? All right, y'all are goats. Thank you. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. Each and every single one of you guys are getting doxxed in my TikTok today. Each and every single one of you guys. I'm posting all of your guys' social security numbers. All of it. It's all going online. Yeah. All right. Next thing, everybody drop the social in the chat. Social security is Mando. Oh. Oh. I took a super tiny scalp on I'm taking a super tiny scalp on silver right now. Literally just trying to get like $30 for my funded. I don't like talking about it because I'd be stressing these fucking. I'm still stressing the futures until I pass a eval or until I pass until I get a payout. Sorry for the scare. I know. Whenever we're trading live, whenever I've been trading live and I hear order filled, bro, shit is like PTSD. You're just tweaked. All right. I'm watching QQQ here at opening price. So that is what I want to see. That is what I want to see. I want to see silver push up as well. All right. Please turn around, Silva. All right, we are breaking down below on MNQ here, or on QQQ. So I'm watching it. I'm watching QQQ puts. BE keeps running. Sheesh. What is BE up today? Another 3%. EOS up 5%. TE up 12%. Just beautiful, man. Just freaking beautiful. I was checking on the YouTube here. All right, nobody. Man, we're just gonna get that consolidation. It looks like. All right, bouncing off that. Buys or bouncing off again. T up 12%, yes sir. Spy putter, nah. I don't hate it, but I'm not. Yeah, that was a good retest. I mean, that was a good retest. I'm just my only issue is with AMD up so much. I don't know if it's just gonna hold it up or because everything else is not down that much. So I don't know. I'm just gonna keep watching here, but it does look like if we can't hold below this 5 minute, we could see a push. So we'll watch. We'll watch. Let's see what contracts I want to look at here. We're sitting bearish for a thesis, by the way. But for now, I'll be looking at the 625 puts. For now, we might move that around, but that's how we're looking for now. Silver's taking a little bit of a cool off. Silver's cooling off a lot, actually. Jeez. Wow. All right, we just got the break on MNQ here. I'm going to switch to the 2 minute, as you guys know. I'd love to see a pullback and then get an entry. Once again, I'll be looking at these I'll be looking at the 625 puts right now. If we do not get a pullback, then I will be looking at these 624 puts. I just want to see a pullback. These things just, I mean, that's just a dump right there on a 5 minute. Look at that. I mean, you can't do anything about that. You can't chase that either. Hopefully we can see just a little bit of a pullback here. Yep, that's nice. That's nice. All right, hopefully we can get a pullback here. If not, that would suck. All right, let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. We got a new two-minute candle out. I want to see it come back, retest, and then push down. For the 1 to 5K, yes, this will be in the 1 to 5K. And I am looking at these 625 puts. I'm looking at 7 contracts here. Let's see if we can get the rejection. All right, we got the 1 minute candle close breaking in. We just want to see that rejection off. And then we want to see a candle close really below here for this entry. All right, as long as we are starting to reject off of the zone, we look good. But you just don't want to see us break really into the zone here. Okay, choppy today. Choppy markets today. Jeez, wow. Well, good thing we are sticking to our plan there, buddy. Jeez. Looks like we're gonna have to wait through this chop. Damn, I thought we would have gotten some quick price movement today with CPI and whatnot. But I suppose not. Well, maybe we will actually push down. This is just a very interesting market right now. Play it slow. Don't do nothing too fast. But trying to keep up with everything here. God damn it. Why does this shit keep doing this? I don't want it to do that. Wow. Very confused. His overall market is just being a little bit bouncy. All right, I'll continue to watch this drop here for MNQ. Still looking at the 620, 625 puts, still looking at those. All right, boys, I am going to get an entry here on some puts. I'm going to go 7 cons on these 625 puts. 7 cons on the 625 puts. Okay. I am in. Sorry, I'm trying to get the alert out, but I don't know if we yes, sorry, I'm in. Yes. I'm in at 87 cents. God. Sorry. I zoned out. I'm watching I'm trying to monitor get in on futures and God. Seven contracts at 0.87. God. Whew. All right, we might get a little bit of a pullback here on the 5-minute, but overall we should push down. God, sorry about that, boys. I was like zoning out trying to get everything set up here. All right, we're up $77 right now for 12%. I'm so sorry, boys. I was taking a look at my futures and then I just got distracted. But yeah, I'm up $98 for 16% right now. Wow, I should have been monitoring this better. Jesus. But yeah, I'm up. Let me pull this up actually. $56, 9%. I do want to see us push down. If we do come back and retest, that's fine. But do we got any fair value gaps? We do. Okay. So on the 2-minute, we do have a fair value gap that we'll be looking to fill, or well, have respected really. That's right here. So if we do come up, that's fine. We're up 11% right now for about 70 bones. What's stop loss for future M&Q? It's going to be the break of orbs, so it'll be right here. It's going to be this right here. That will be our stop loss. What price you in at? 87 cents. I alerted it. Big cat. What the fuck? Bro. God. All right, we did reject out of that 2-minute fair value gap. That is good to see. My stop loss is now really just going to be above that fair value gap right there. We're up 5% here. Oh, I can only buy 10 micros? Oh. All right, this is a good push down here, boys. We should see these contracts start to move a little bit. Okay, so this is where we are in at. We got in here. Our stop loss is right here. We're up 13% right now. We riding this? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have some lows to break that we are coming up on. Really pre-market more than anything. So we could see some really pre-market lows, and then right here. So we need to focus on. But on the 2-minute, we're getting bought up just a little bit. No big deal. But really, we just need to make sure that we break, that we hold this fair value gap and that we break this low. Once we break this low, we're fine. But still up 8%. Sorry, bros. It's just, it'd be a lot of shit to get to. I'm trying to take futures, alert, watch this shit. It's chill. But we're cooling. We're cooling. We are cooling. I'm in on futures, by the way. I have 10 contracts of MNQ. That short that I took on, or the long that I took on silver did not work out. So I do have some money to make back here. Hopefully we can get a good little play on MNQ here. But we are looking good right now. We are up 17%, 26% actually. Wow, 26%, boys. 20% now, up 126. So make sure you guys are taking your trims, up 21% here. Let me alert here. $29% here. Let me get a screenshot real quick. God damn it, not the right one. 20% here, whatever. That'll do. We were up 20%, and y'all saw it. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and take my first trim here. I'm trimming 2 cons at 105. They got filled. Perfect. All right. I really do think that overall we are going to see a move down. Now the issue is just these levels that we're coming up on. This is a decent level. This is a decent level. So I do want to see a continuation is really what we want to see. Continuation. So we want to see a breakdown. But I'm still up $80 for 18% here, 16% here. All right, everyone should be paid here. Everyone should be paid here. But I'm still riding out 5 contracts. So I sold 2 contracts, and I'm still riding 5. Stop loss now at break even for the rest of these. The position that I'm in on futures is up 415. I am going to try and get a little bit of an extension on these because I am down a couple hundred right now. Now, the level that's going to be hard to break on MNQ is going to be 72. That's going to be a tough level to break. But I do see that we possibly could. This is the position that I'm currently in on futures. So right here. Not bad. We're up 25% on these contracts again. Looking pretty good here. 24%. 25% here. 29%. Puts our green on the day now. 28%. We should see these really do quite well. I'd love to see a retest right here and then a push down, but if we're just going to push down, that's also fine with me. I'm up 540 on futures right now, and I'm up 35%. 35%, boys. Make sure you're taking your trims. Make sure you guys are taking your trims. I'm going to get ready and sell 2 more. Get ready and sell 2 more. Oh my God, boys. Oh my God, my futures, I'm up. I'm up big. Let's go. Damn it. If only I didn't take that silvers play, I'd be up literally so much right now on futures. All right, boys, we are up huge. I mean, we're up huge. What are these up? What are these up? What are these up? Someone tell me. I can't. Let me look at them. 36% still. What were they up? They had to have been up like 50% at one point. Damn, I was one tick away from my exit. Let's see if we can get any lower. 980, that'd be 150. But we're up 50% here, boys. I don't want to get retraced up on these fucking futures, but I just got to take it at 800. We're still up 37%. I'm selling 2 more here. This was the level that I was expecting to reject from, so this is what I'm looking at, really. I'm about to get out on futures here. I have my TP down at 820. I'd love to see us continue to push down, but I do think that we are about to get to a point where we are going to reverse. So I'm up 40% still. You guys should still be taking profits. I only have 3 contracts left. These are my runner contracts. These are going to be out at 25% take profit. So once we see 25%, we are getting out of these. And I may, once we get up 50%, I'm probably going to sell 1 more and just leave 2 runners. But make a new low. Make a new low. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, boys. Let's go. We are in line to get our first payout, and we are up 62%, baby. Let's go. I am so sorry, boys. I had to lock in right there. But holy shit, that is our first payout, boys. I had to lock in. I was down $800, bro. Look at this drawdown. I was down $800. I took a – oh, my God. These contracts are up 60% here, boys. Wow. What a trade. What a trade. What a trade. 70%. I'm selling 1. I'm selling another 1. Is this thing going to go 100%? I told y'all we were about to have a big day. Every single time, I'm telling you. These things are up 6-7%. Oh, my God. Are we over 2K in the account now? Oh, my dude. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. 89% here. 89%. Where are you guys in the chat? We got 81 people in here, and I just banged a 90%er, and you guys are nowhere to be found. Anybody get in this, maybe? Anybody take this at all? Nope. Y'all in? Come on. You're already out? Okay. Hey, at the end of the day, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I like it. Taking profits, that's chill. Ain't nobody get hurt taking profits. Bang. Bang. Lock myself out that account for the day. Bang. All right, boys. I'm going to sell 1 more up 71%. We're going to leave the last one to run. We'll let the last one run. We'll leave it at, let's see, what are we up on this last con? $57. We are now over $2,100 in the account. Let's go. That was a great trade. Great trims on that too. We're still at 55%. I'll get out if we do close back over this yellow line. That's where I'll get out. But I'm still liking this downside. I knew we were going to get a day like this, and I thought today was the day. We are about to break into a point where we just have insane downside, boys. This is not going to hold. We have all of this downside. And if you really go over to a time frame like the, 4 hour or the daily, this candle, forget about this candle, but look at this. At the end of the day, this is a gap. Like, look at that. So we are now breaking into this massive ass gap down. So I really do think that we could even get a swing for a potential multi-day put. I'm not going to be taking that here, but I am watching that. Buy back on QQQ. No, man, I'm still in a play and I'm up 75%. You don't got to be too eager to get into something new. Got to let your plays ride. And that's what we're doing right here. We're still up 82%. 82%. I want to see that 100% screenshot pretty bad. Not going to lie to you. 82. Can we see a hundo bommy? I want to see a hundo bommy. 78%. 79%. Oh boy, these are up 100%, aren't they? 103. Give me that screenshot, boys. Another premium banger. Let's go, boys. 103%. 103%. 112%. Y'all take a gander at this. Y'all take a gander at that. Damn, dude, if I would have held those if I would have held what I was in for futures, bro, I'd be a jillionaire. All right, I'm up 112% on these last runners. Boys, oh my god, these things just look like they want to pour too. This was a great play. This was a great play. Wow. And I'm still in the runner, man. Still in the runner. Let's go, boys. Make sure y'all show me some profit in the profit tab at me. At me so I can see some of that. I want to see who got in. I want to see who got in. Let me know. Let me know. Still up 102% here. I'm probably going to get ready to sell and just kind of be done because we are getting to a point where we probably should bounce. Swap those lows. But I mean, at the same time, it's like, dude, we just look bearish as fuck. We look bearish all morning. I mean, look at this play that we got, boys. The art of patience. I told y'all. I told y'all. Everyone always be, you know, I see people all the time. They're like, hey, you know, why didn't you get in up here? Because that is a risky entry. This is a risky entry. Wait until you get a fair value gap retest. Had to wait all the way until we got down here. But at the end of the day, 150% or 105% or whatever at the end of the day, who cares? Who cares? Much more safety. At the end of the day, you can size a little bit harder. So let's go. My boy Jack, let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm happy to see that. Take a trade up there. There is basically, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because I do get that question a lot, and it's not a bad question by any means. But you know, people will say like, hey, like, you know, hey, you got a good put right here, but why didn't you, you know, take this and then it would have been 500%? It's like, well, that is a very risky trade. Yes, we did sweep highs, and that's fine. That's a very risky trade. I mean, you could have played this fair value gap, but it doesn't even get touched. So no, you couldn't have technically. But yeah, you really don't get. I love you too, X State. Have a good one, brother. Have a good one. Who is still in this call? Who is still in this call? Because I still have one contract. And I'm up 120% right now. Bro, I don't understand so much. Hey, I got in 9:35, 6:24 put. What the fuck did I do? Someone else help me. I got in 9:35 a.m. I don't know what time zone you are. These are up 125% by the way. All right, Zach's still in. Matthew's still in. 131% here, boys. 136% here, boys. Eastern. Okay, so that means you got in at market open. You got in approximately 15 minutes before we alerted anything. That's why. It's because you got in too early. Got my first buzz win. Let's go, baby. Many more to come. Many more to come. Wait, I don't know where that was. No. Still up 116 here. How much you up for the day? 1 to 5K. We are up $313. $313. My stop loss is now going to be at 100%. Kurt, what did you enter? Because we didn't enter anything until technically 9:50 Central or 9:50 Eastern. So we didn't. You shouldn't have been in anything at 9:35 or Eastern. 6:27 before orb. Yeah, like we don't take anything before orb. You wait for orb to break, unless we see a perfect setup. But those are rare inside of orb. TE still up 13% here. TE doesn't give a shit about the market. Everything is red and TE is just green as balls. Still up 95% here. I am going to get ready to take my stop. I am going to go ahead and sell here. Yeah. I am going to go ahead and sell here. Yeah. I'm going to get out. Wait, let me get out, please. Okay. I'm full out, boys. I am full out. 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 Everyone get the hell out. All right. Let me see all that profit in the profit tab, and I will be posting our 125K Johnny Tong right now. We are up 113% on this challenge, by the way, boys. We are up 113. Let's see it. Let's see it, boys. Look, 113% right here. 113% right here. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. The trims on these babies were amazing too. Bro, we are just green as all balls. Joby calls. I'm not a big fan of Joby calls. I want to hold that for the long term if I'm going to get in. All right, boys. We are goated. Everyone go hit up the 1 to 5K. Go give me some reactions on that, John. Go check it out. Go see what we're at. Compare your portfolio to ours. See if you've been keeping up. See if you need to catch up. All that kind of stuff. I need to learn how to trim and hold better. I be selling everything too quick. Hey, at the end of the day, it's profit. You would much rather have that issue than a lot of other things at the end of the day, you know? So let's see. Goddamn, we got in too late and still made 50%. I made 100% on that, John. What you mean? What you mean? That's what I'm saying. It's not too late, bro. It is not too late. When you have a plan, it's not too late. It's just not a thing. It's just not a thing. It's just not a thing. And I'm now eligible for my first ever payout. I'm done for the day, Buzz. You're the GOAT. Thanks. Yes, sir, Jay Winnie. I love to see you in here. And I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Good day, per usual. Who would have thought? Who would have thought it was a banger day? Who would have thought? All right, I did. I got it at 96 cents. Hey, still great trade. I take TP when I make more than I would at work for the day. Hey, bro.